And now we're starting to close spaces, right? And what type of elastics do we use? Midline elastics. Because when is the best time to correct your midline?
Space.
When you have space in stage 2. This is purely dental. We're holding the upper right canine back as we bring the power chain to close the space, and we're holding the lower left canine back as we trying to correct the midlines. Okay? And now let's look at our power chain. Watch this. It stops at the left 3. Why does it stop at the left 3? Because we have such minimal overjet, we don't want to close the space back, but because we want to favor the midline to go which way? The upper needs to go to the right. We extended the right all the way to the 6. So this is a 6-3 to put more force for the space to close towards the right. So that 6 is going to hold the midline where it is as the left incisor comes closer to the right. Does that make sense? Let's see if it worked. So this was back in June. Boom. Look at this. We linked through the power chain all the way down to the 6. Okay. We added the blue class 2 elastic on this side, and all the space closed towards the posteriors, not away from it. Right? Before, after. Now we'll go on the other side. Let's see what happened. We stopped at the 3. So now we have some space. Okay? So now we're trying to bring the posteriors forward, but see how we have the canine still tied all the way through? So in theory, we shouldn't open the space. But now we're using the midline elastics and the the power chain to close that space. Let's see what we did. That was in July, August, boom. Before, after. You see that? So in stage 2, you have to be smart about how you close spaces. Otherwise, you end up with midlines off, posterior space open, and a lot more work in stage 3.